A missing wallet at the supermarket. Kids, look at these fresh grapes. Don't they look delicious? They're so shiny and juicy. Can we get some, Mom?
And look, those tomatoes look like they came straight from a painting.
Mom, we should get some for Dad. He loves grapes. Good idea. Let's see how much for a basket of grapes and a bunch of those carrots. Please check me out.
That'll be $15.
Oh no, my wallet. It's missing. Did you leave it in the car?
Or maybe at the bakery stall we just visited. Don't worry, Mom. This happens a lot here. Why don't you check the backdrop counter? I can hold these for you.
Thank you. Kids, let's go back and check. Whew! Here it is.
You must have left it here while picking up Dad's call.
Yay! Now we can get the strawberries and carrots.
I was so worried we wouldn't get those funny-looking carrots.
At the farmer's market. Good morning. Fresh strawberries just picked this morning. Only $3 a box.
Hi, these look amazing. Are they organic?
Yes, they are. No pesticides, just sunshine and care. Would you like to try one?
Sure. Wow, it's so sweet and juicy. Olivia, you've got to try this.
Oh, this is delicious. How much for 3 boxes? Normally $9, but I can give you all 3 for $8.
$8? That's great. What's the term for when you lower the price? A discount, right?
That's right. A discount means the seller reduces the price for you.
Got it. Thank you for the discount.
Can we pay by card? I'm afraid it's cash only. There's an ATM just over there if you need it.
I have cash. Here's $8.
Thank you so much. Do you want a bag for these?
Yes, please. Also, what's in season right now?
Apart from strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are really good. I have them here. Blueberries are $4 a box and raspberries are $5. What do you think, Sam?
Let's get a box of blueberries too. Can we still get a discount if we buy more?
How about $11 for everything?
Perfect.
At the coffee shop.
Mark, is that really you? Ben? Man, it's been ages. No way! This is insane! Oh, Tom! Hi, little one! What's going on today? Some kind of secret classmate magnet? More like fate telling us to get that reunion sorted. Reunion? Oh yeah, our 15-year reunion's coming up next Saturday. Yeah, 15 years already. I just got the message from Lana. Same here. Oh, I think I should go. Oh, come on, you have to. We need someone to remind us how rebellious you were. Me? Please. We all know Ben was the real troublemaker. Oh, right. Back then, he swapped my water bottle with vinegar. That was one time. Honestly, I'm curious to see who changed. Definitely. I want to see who's bold, who got rich, and who married who. I'll bring popcorn. This is going to be fun. By the way, are you bringing your wife and kid to the reunion? Of course. I need to get my little girl out of the house. Let her see the world a bit. True that. Lately, I keep hearing kids singing something like tongue, tongue, tongue all the time.
It's tongue, 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 sahur, sir.
Oh, wow. She's just as cheeky as you were, Tom. Guilty as charged.
The bus stop. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the city center?
Yes, it is. Are you going to the city centre?
Yes, city center. What's bus number?
You need bus number 12. It should arrive in 5 minutes.
Bus 12. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you already have a ticket?
No ticket. Where to buy?
You can buy it from the driver. Just tell them where you're going.
Oh, okay. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.50. Have small money ready.
Okay, thank you so much. At the hospital.
Good morning. What brings you here today? My stomach hurts. I think it's serious. Maybe something's really wrong inside. Let's not panic yet. What did you eat yesterday? A giant burrito, spicy chips, bubble tea, and half a cheesecake. That's quite a list. Maybe your stomach's just mad at how much you stuffed into it. But I Googled it. It said it could be something dangerous. I thought I was about to die. The internet loves drama. It's always better to ask your doctor first before worrying too much about what you read online. Your stomach might need to rest, and you're not resting in peace. All right, doctor. We'll send you for an ultrasound in a bit, so don't worry. I trust you. My life's in your hands now. Let's keep you alive and drama-free.
Sick child. Hello, Sue. I'm Linda. Are you available for lunch today? No, David is unwell today and was unable to attend school. That's awful. Is it a cold? Yes, I believe so. He was suffering from a cough and a sore throat. My kid was also unwell last week. He was absent from school for 4 days. I hope David isn't too sick. There is a virus circulating. We must also maintain our health. I know. To keep healthy, I've started taking additional vitamin C. Right, me too. I'm going to go out and buy something. Do you want anything from the store? In fact, I do. I couldn't go shopping since I didn't want to abandon David. I get what you mean. What do you want? Could you kindly buy a chicken for me? I'd want to cook some chicken soup for David. Okay, I'll buy a chicken for you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll go to the shop after lunch and we'll arrive at your place about 2 p.m. Great, then I'll see you. Don't forget to stock up on vitamin C. I remember. See ya. Sister's birthday party. Hello there, Cindy. What are you doing tomorrow? I'll be working till 5 p.m. I'm planning a party for my sister's birthday. Do you want to come? Sure, I'd love to. What time does the party start? It begins at 5 p.m. Okay, I'll be a few minutes late, but don't worry, I'll try to be there as soon as I can. No need to hurry, we will wait for you. Where are you going to have it? In my garden. Oh, good. Can I bring anything? There is no need to bring anything. I'd want to give her a present. What does she enjoy? That isn't necessary. I really want to give her a gift. Does she enjoy music? She enjoys music. What genres of music does she enjoy? Pop, jazz, hip-hop, or classical music? She enjoys pop music. Okay, I've got an idea. And what should we wear? The main colors are white and beige. I see. Thank you. Cleaning the attic.
Ted, do you have any boxes you're not using? I think I have. Let me check in stock. Thank you very much. Need cartons to move house. No, today I need to clear out my attic. My attic is getting messy. You should clean it regularly. I know, I'm not even sure what's in there anymore. I'm sure there'll be a lot of things you don't need anymore. That's what my wife told me. Last month I had to clear out my attic, and my wife said the same thing to me. They must be talking to each other. What are you going to do with all of them? I think I'll sell things I don't need. What did you do with all of your belongings? I threw them away if they broke and donated the other half. Great, maybe I'll make a donation. How many cartons do you need? About 2 or 3 cartons are enough. Okay,